Mobile's Fantasy. Consider it a floating city. The cruise ship, home to more than 2,000 passengers on any given voyage, is required by the Centers for Disease Control to undergo mandatory health inspections at least twice a year. The inspections are unannounced, and depending on the size of the ship, 1 to 4 inspectors will give it a once-over from top to bottom, the process taking anywhere from 8 to 10 hours. Fantasy's latest health inspection, July 18th, not so good. The compliance checklist full of infractions, giving Fantasy a failing score of 77 out of 100, 8 points below passing. The biggest problems found by inspectors: leaks in food preparation areas, brown water being discharged from shower hoses in the medical center, and a visible film on top of the water in the main pool area. In response, Carnival releasing this statement: the results for Fantasy are not reflective of our robust standards and dedicated commitment to our guest health and safety. We have already taken corrective action, added additional staff, and asked United States Public Health for re-inspection as soon as possible, with every expectation that we will exceed USPH standards. According to the Alabama Cruise Terminal's website, the Fantasy is due back in port tomorrow. Despite the failing score, future passengers need not worry. A Carnival spokesperson telling us it will not prevent the cruise ship from continuing its schedule. Meanwhile, it's important to point out most of the Fantasy's past inspection marks range above passing well into the 90s, and a perfect score of 100 back in January 2017.
Now, this is the ship's 4th failing inspection since it was launched in 1990. Again, the health inspections are unannounced and happen when the cruise ship is in its home port.